Ito po yung door string with back print. Then, elegant satin po. Ito lang po yung available. Then, yung photo satin. Photo frame satin. Then, yung microfiber na plain po. Yung mga please design, ito lang din po available. Then, yung 11 by 18 na adult pillowcase po. Tote bag button po with back print. Then yung zipper with back print din po. Then yung tote bag na flat with back print. And then yung flat tote bag na 8 by 10 with back print na rin po. Then yung black canvas bag po. With the theft print. Then bag black canvas po na special video.